Good morning guys, for today's tutorial is how to use and install Gemini AI. First is go to Play Store and search Gemini AI and click and install. And open. Not now. Switch. Use Gemini. Ang Gemini is pwede ka mag-search in voice, camera, and gagamitin na din is typing. Search natin is si Rapi Tolpo. And search natin siya. And lalawis na siya. Yun lang, and thank you for watching.